Hi guys! Hello guys! Do you know what I have to today? Today is hair vitamin. Did you see? This is a hair vitamin, guys. I'm so excited with this. So, what is the hair vitamins? A hair vitamins is a serum enriched with vitamin A, C, E, vitamin B5, and it's included inside the Moroccan oil, the macadamia oil, the avocado oil, and what the hair vitamins mix you. It's makes your hair become healthy, shiny, and smooth, guys. Very smooth and smell good. When you put it, you can put it live on this capsule. This is capsule inside.